Here I have XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the wallpaper and personalization, tap agree, allow while using the app, for example. So then you go to library. For example, you can select one of the pre-installed wallpapers which you have on your... Okay, so you have some must-have wallpapers. These are like wallpapers from the internet. You don't have them installed on your device. If you have like connection to the Wi-Fi, you will see them. So you can pick some wallpapers from these ones. Or this one are some kind of... Okay, so these ones are from the internet, then the previous ones were pre-installed, I guess. Anyway, if you don't want any of these pre-installed or some kind of standard XIAOMI wallpapers, or you want to just set up any other image that you can download from the internet by yourself, or you can take photo with your camera, because like you see, this device has this super camera which can take super photos. You go to gallery. For this gallery, select an image which you want to set up as your wallpaper. Here you can adjust it and then tap apply. Then select if you want to set it as lock screen, as home screen, or as both screens, and wallpaper changes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.